Hello everyone, and today we're going to be going over how to create custom focus modes in iOS. Focus modes are a great way to keep, as the name says, focused and also set apart distractions when working or even driving. So the first thing you want to do is head to your settings page. From there you want to scroll down to where it says focus and then click on that. This is your focus page. Over here you can create or customize focus groups. So for now, let's choose work. So over here we can set for the work focus who we want to allow, what apps we want to allow, and also the schedule. So let's say we want to allow some people and also not allow some people, we could do this. So we would silence notification from whoever you select and also allow notifications from whoever you select. You can also block notifications from some apps and allow from other apps. You can also change your lock screen to minimize your distractions even further. Then this one comes in pretty handy. You can turn smart activation on, which will automatically detect when you'll be working, or you can add a custom schedule to set when you'll be working, for example 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. And that's pretty much it. That's how you set up focus groups on iOS.